Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to do a quick revision of the first stanza of the famous poem, The Patriot by Robert Browning. This poem is a powerful commentary on patriotism, sacrifice, and the meaning of life. In the first stanza, children, Browning paints a vivid picture of the patriot's internal struggle as he faces the prospect of death. We see his determination and bravery as well as his doubts and fears. The imagery is very rich and it arises intense emotions in the readers. And the language that Robert Browning has chosen in this poem is to convey a sense of urgency and intensity. But hey, children, that's not all. In addition to our revision, we will also be looking at some multiple choice questions related to stanza 1 of the poem, The Patriot. These questions will test your understanding of the poem and help you to engage with the text on a deeper level. So, if you are ready to explore the world of the Patriot and test your knowledge, then let's get started. And hey, children, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. So, here we begin the poem. The first stanza is as follows. It was roses, roses all the way, with myrtle mixed in my path like mad. The house roofs seemed to heave and sway, the church spires flamed, such flags they had. A year ago on this very day. A short meaning for your revision purpose. The poem's speaker is a patriot who tells the story of his glorious past. He recalls a day a year ago when he was greeted warmly upon his arrival in the town. Roses and myrtle had been placed in his path. There were a lot of people in the house roofs. Roofs appeared to sway because there were so many people on the roofs to see their hero. The church spires were beautifully decorated with flags because they were all welcoming their hero. When a year ago, from the day when the speaker is telling us this story about his life. Therefore, the speaker received a magnificent welcome on the same day a year ago. So, from here onwards, children, you can all go through the multiple choice questions and check the correct answer in the coming slides. So here it ends, children. Go through all the questions. If you feel the video is a little faster, you can pause in between, read the questions, and then answer them accordingly. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you, everyone.